Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can use baby wool to achieve this look.
Yes, this is yarn dread, or I call it dread wool.
So how thick you want the hair to look depends on how many strands of wool you're using, and this one I'm using 18 strands of wool because I want the hair to be very thick. I want it to be very thick. So, and the hair is about 1 inch. It's very short. I started off by braiding because I want to hold it firm. I started off by braiding. Depends on how you want yours to appear. You can start by tying the hair if the hair is not this short. So on this one I started by braiding, and once I'm done I tie the hair. I use 2 strands of wool to tie the hair. I make sure the starting is very tight, and then this tying method is called some gaps. When I was growing up, this is the name it's called. I don't know if there's a different name now, but it's called some gaps. You don't tie it closely, you give some gap and then tie the next one. As you can see, this is some gaps. So this is how I'm going to braid all the hair. I'm going to give space and tie, space and tie. So this is how it's going to appear.
So I'm done with the hair. Within 30 minutes, I was able to finish the hair. It doesn't take time. So next, you dip in warm water. It's necessary you dip in warm water to help the hair relax for the brushing stage.
Once you're done dipping in water, you brush it out. This method gives it that dread look. You see, so you brush till you get your desired look. Brush to your satisfaction. Exactly. So this is the final stage.